I'm Anastasia Chatzka. I'm a fashion designer, pattern maker, and sewing educator, and I'm so happy you're here sewing along with me today. So last week I was working on motorcycle jackets, moto jackets, and I needed shorter separating zippers. And I could not find any information out there on how to properly shorten a separating zipper. But I figured it out, and I am here to share it with you so that way you can shorten your metal teeth separating zippers. To do this, you are going to need some tools. You're going to need some wire cutters / nippers, and you're also going to need some needle nose pliers of a sort. So grab your tools and let's shorten this zipper. The first thing we need to do is measure how long we want our new zipper. I would like to make my new zipper 10 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and chalk right at 10 inches. Next, grab your wire cutters or your snippers and let's remove some of the teeth. So here's my 10-inch mark. So what I want to do is remove about a ½ inch of teeth from 10 inches up. So I'm going to remove about a ½ inch of teeth here, and then from here up, I can just go ahead and cut the rest of that zipper off. But don't think it's that easy. We have to remove the zipper top at the very top of the zipper and replace it. Otherwise, when we zip up our zipper, the whole zipper pull might just fall right off. And then our zipper's not gonna work and we're gonna have to replace it again. So keep following along to learn exactly how to do this. Before I start removing the teeth, I'm gonna clip the zipper at that ½ inch beyond mark, and that's basically our seam allowance for the zipper. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip that. And now I know that I have to remove that ½ inch of teeth right here. So I'm gonna take my clippers here and I am going to clip off these little teeth here on the zipper one at a time. So you just squeeze down and they just pop right off. It's pretty awesome actually. I can't believe I haven't been doing this for years. Looks like we've got one more to remove. Excellent. So check out how easy that was, but we have to put back on that zipper stop. So this little metal bracket at the very top of your zipper, you're gonna have to remove it, and then we're gonna reattach it right here and clamp it on. So you can see on this piece of the zipper here, that is what it looks like when it's clamped on. So it's just clamped on right next to the very top zipper tooth there. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you subscribe to Sew Anastasia. And if you're already a follower, thank you so much for following along. Now let's get back to shortening that zipper. Getting off the zipper stop at the top is the hardest thing to do in this whole process, but I know you can do it. If I can do it, and I'm just a little thing, I know you can do it. So I'm gonna use a little pair of pliers here and try and bend back the tip of it and pull the fabric, and I'm basically trying to remove it from the zipper tape here. I'm gonna actually get another pair of pliers and use that on the zipper tape and create some pressure here, and we are going to rip it off just like that. And that wasn't even that bad. And that was the hardest part. Do you believe it? Now that we have our miniature little zipper stop, let's attach it to the top of our zipper. Now this is kind of hard to see, but I have the zipper stop right in between the pliers here, and I'm going to put it onto the zipper tape. Maybe I'll use my fingers. Okay, now that I have it right where I want it, what I want to do is take my little pliers here and we are going to crimp the bottom of it. So take it and just squeeze it nice and tight. And now when we pull our zipper pull up, it's not going to fly off the end of the zipper. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side and test out our pull and see how our new zipper works. Okay, let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do is snip down that tape. Now I'm gonna remove these zipper teeth, one at a time. So gratifying. Okay. Now we're gonna take our zipper stop and we're gonna place it right at the top. That one went on so much easier than the last one. Now we're gonna take it and crimp it in place. Okay, Let's test it out. Now we have our 10-inch zipper and it's looking awesome. It looks like we store-bought it, and now we can put it into our jacket. So if we take our zipper pull and we pull it all the way up, it is not coming off of our zipper because we have those little zipper stops right at the top. So we removed all of the zipper from the top. Isn't shortening a zipper that has metal teeth that separates so easy? Why have I not done this like a million times before for projects? I'm spending hours searching on the internet looking for the perfect size zipper when I could be doing this. Are you kidding me? Well, I've just saved myself hours of searching the internet for the perfect size zipper because with a few handy tools, I can do it myself, and that feels amazing. Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you enjoyed how to shorten this metal teeth separating zipper, make sure you leave a comment down below and give it a thumbs up. And I would love to know what you thought about this process. And if you have any tips or pointers, leave them down below because we would all love to read them. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell because you know you want to see all those new sewing videos that come out every single week. And if you're already a subscriber and a follower, thank you so much for following along. And don't forget, I now teach sewing classes in my design studio, so come join me for a sewing class. And you can check those out at sewinganastasia.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!